Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is called the emergency seat belt cutter and a window hammer. So I thought of keeping this one inside the car for emergency use. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. I think pretty much many of you would have already seen this in the public transport services, in buses or in trains. They have a user manual and nothing else. So it looks something like this. It's made up of hard plastic. You can mount it on the surface. It's kind of a wall mount, and the way you take it out is by pulling this outside from the top. And it has got two metal surfaces which are a little bit pointed towards the end, and this is used to break the glass just in case if the glass doesn't open, there is suffocation or anything, you might want to use this hammer to break off the glass and get out of the car. And is useful when neither the door opens nor the windows open and you get stuck during emergencies. I think this is a handy tool to break the glass. It also has this sharp blade here. You can use this to cut off the seat belt in case even if that doesn't open. I don't know how much I'll be using this, and I would pray I would never have to use this again, but just in case I would keep this in my car. And it comes with this wall mount. I think 4 screws have to be put in here to stick it onto a surface, but I think I probably would keep it in the glove box or some place where it's accessible. I think in public transport system probably it makes sense to mount this, but I probably wouldn't drill the wall of my car to mount this plate.